my car. It's a bad day at Borough Park.
Is Steven listed as the ground?
Well, 30 Mart 2018'de Oklahoma polis ekibi çalıntı araç ihbarı üzerine şüpheli Angie'yi kelepçeleyerek sorgulamaya başladılar.
Everybody else in it? Okay.
I borrowed it from Stephen Curtis. He told me that I could borrow it. I live right up at Studio 6.
C-U-R-T-I-S?
Yes,
What's his first name?
Stephen.
S-T-E-V-E-N?
I believe
P-H-E-N?
so. It's S-T-E-V-E-N.
Stephen Curtis.
Stephen Curtis Turner is his full name.
Stephen Curtis Turner. Okay.
Yes. I call him Curtis.
Okay,
I
keep on.
swear I did not steal this vehicle.
How long has Steven had it?
He picked me up today.
Have you seen him in it before?
Yes.
How long have you since the first time you've seen him in it?
Well, the first time I seen him in it, I'd say it was about a month and a half ago.
Okay. Do you know how he got it?
No, he bought it.
Do you know that, or you think just assuming it?
I'm assuming it. He's never lied to me before.
Okay.
Ever. He lives over at Balboa Apartments on 51st and U. I had to move some stuff because I'm moving.
Mm-hmm.
And he said that I could, if it's stolen, I mean, you take it back and whatever. But I even have a witness that saw him pick me up in it today.
Okay.
So, I mean, I haven't done anything to the vehicle. Honest to God.
Okay.
I mean, I've worked with the police,
Okay. Well, we'll figure it out. We'll try to
And
get to the bottom of it.
If he did steal it, then I'm going to have to go to jail and pay the price for it.
Well, you're in a stolen vehicle. If he did steal it, you're in a stolen vehicle, which is a problem. But if you didn't steal it, then that'll come out in court.
No, you don't understand.
What don't I understand?
The reason why I work with the police,
Yeah.
like over on 11th and Garnett, and the counterfeiting,
Yeah.
I work with them on it because if I go back to jail again, then that means prison 4 years. So,
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay,
I live
listen.
right up the road and
So,
I didn't steal this car.
Calm down. If we can find out that Steven stole it, then and you in it without knowing it, then it'll come out in court.
You don't understand. I can't afford a lawyer. My numbers are on that. I don't. Please, I didn't steal it. I didn't. I swear on my life I didn't steal it.
Angie'yi yeterince dinleyen polisler aralarında konuşmak için onu polis aracının ön koltuğuna oturttular. Ama Angie'nin birazdan yapacaklarını hiçbiri tahmin edemedi.
So have a seat in my car. It's a bad day at Borough Park.
So is that a UUMV? Was Is Steven listed as the suspect on the UMV?
Yeah.
See if she can give him to us.
Yeah.
She says she knows him. I'd say maybe try to give Steven a call. If she'll give you a number. But the other officer, whoever took the original, couldn't get a hold of him. I don't suppose we're going to be able to either. And I don't feel like spending the rest of my shift trying. Because I think this is all going to be a bunch of BS anyway. I think that's probably the best bet. Is this all gonna? They'll figure it out. I'd say maybe try to give Steven a call. If she'll give you a number. But the other officer, whoever took the original, couldn't get a hold of him. I don't suppose we're going to be able to either. And I don't feel like spending the rest of my shift trying. Because I think this is all going to be a bunch of BS anyway. I think that's probably the best bet. It's all gonna, they'll figure it out.
Angie'nin masum olduğunu düşünmeye başlayan polisler, Steven'ı aramayı düşünürken kelepçelerinden kurtulmayı başaran Angie kapıları kilitleyip direksiyona geçiyor ve kovalamaca başlıyor.
David 136, suspect just stole my vehicle, is heading south on Memorial.
Oh God, there's another cop. Chet, chet, chet, chet, chet. Oh God, oh God. Chet, fuck.
Angie Frost, 41. caddedeki bir motelde durdu ve kaçmaya başladı.
Yeah, she just bailed out road south.
Where'd she go? Is that her right there? There she is.
Come here now! Get on the ground! Put your hands over your head. Put your hands over your head. Will somebody unhook her hook so we can put them back behind her back?
Oh, please.
You can go back inside. She's fine. She's fine. Hand behind your back. Let's go.
Ow, ow,
It's in there still.
ow, ow, ow,
Now he do got on a stolen vehicle for sure. All right, stand up. Anybody got a cage? She's wiry.
Apparently so. His car is right
I
there.
told you guys I didn't steal that car.
You just
You just stole a police car.
Now I'm going to jail for over.
You stole a police car in front of 3 police officers and eluded.
Ow!
I've seen some stupid stuff, but my gosh. Andy hit a car with it.
You guys told me that I was going to jail for something that I did not do.
You just stole a police car.
Now I'm going to jail for something I did.
Well, there we go. Silver linings. Is there any damage?
I don't see any, no. Corporal.
It's. Ow.
It's a smudge, but someone's gonna have to do it anyway.
Down there with me, I was coming. I saw that. Well,
Who was it that got off the highway like right behind her?
That's me.
That was awesome.
we heard it. I was on a traffic stop.
I've never seen so many cars converge on one thing so fast. Cause I was right, I ran back to my car, got in, and you guys somehow still managed to get in front of me. I never had my eyes off her. Next thing I know, there's 3 cars between me and her. It's like, how did that happen?
I was trying to get up to him, and Mark was trying to get in the car. I'm like, Steve, hey, what the fuck is stolen vehicle? I'll handle this.
Does anybody here have a cage? Did anybody here? Did you bring LeBlanc? Cause he's still standing there.
I left him.
Hey, what's this address?
Hey, Milk,
We're at the studio.
you want to go pick up LeBlanc? He's still at the he's still at the Village Inn. His car's right here.
Can
His car's here. It's the one that got stolen. She didn't bother to give him a ride.
I'm sorry
that yours?
for hitting your car.
It's Tim's. It's the maintenance guy. It's my
Where's his apartment?
Hey,
You want to go knock on his apartment?
sweetie,
I didn't want to.
That's fine.
my guy is right over there.
Head your 8600 41st. Oh, we're at determination point.
8181 East 41st is the address for this complex.
I don't give a shit.
God, you are hateful.
You just stole a police car and drove
yeah,
like
I'm
shit.
going to jail because I stole a car. You all were going to arrest me for stealing the black car.
Which you
and
could
I
have
did not
easily,
steal
which you could have
it.
got out of that
But you
charge
just
if
stole
you
a
didn't
police
steal
car.
it. But then you stole a car in front of
I was willing
us.
to give up fucking drugs, everybody. The heads of all the mobs and
The
the
heads of the
gangs
mobs, you got
and
that?
all that fucking shit. But you guys,
You need to learn the art of the deal, then.
Hey, you know what? Our bad. Our bad. You stole a police
you know what?
car.
Don't patronize me.
Our bad.
Don't.
Take some fucking accountability for your actions.
I do take accountability for my
Did you
actions.
steal a police car?
You know what?
Did you?
Give me an attorney.
Answer the question.
Give me an attorney. How
We
about
saw
that?
you do it.
No, you didn't see me do it.
I did.
He did. You didn't.
Angie uzun bir süre polislerin dalga konusu olacak gibi duruyor.
And the young car came.
You got a picture?
That
Yeah, actually, my camera
there's a camera in there.
Well, give it to me. I will autograph.
It was rolling.
If I'm going to jail, if I'm getting in trouble for something, then I'm going to get in trouble. I'm going to go to jail for something that I did.
balls to the wall, right?
Well,
No,
you know
it's
what?
because
All right.
I'm not going to go to jail for something I have not
If
done.
I'm gonna go to jail, I might
I
as
did
well
not
do something.
see- I did
somebody
not
come on with a
steal that
cage?
black car.
I don't know.
She
So-
asked. I heard dispatch asked.
I did hear her ask. I didn't hear.
And I asked him to call the owners. Please.
Of the cars?
I didn't steal
We did.
it.
We she didn't answer.
Did anyone respond?
No answer.
She's coming.
Okay. We'll let the corporal decide what he wants to. We're getting the owner for this car to see if what they want us to do about it.
coming.
Yeah.
a lot.
It's like no damage. Do you think we should do it anyway?
To Memorial.
Yeah.
And she's on this goes down.
I have to do the cover sheet on it. Well, it wasn't an officer involved.
It was not, but it was city property.
It's true. City property, but
We don't work right
Jesus, I don't know. I don't know if that one's in policy. If someone steals a police car and wrecks it,
Does anybody need to go back to the original stop?
LeBlanc should still be standing there.
Okay, I guess I could go
I do,
get him
but I
and bring him
said-
over.
Melchior, I just yelled at Melchior's going back, I think. I yelled at him when he was walking up and he turned around, so I'm assuming he's headed back over there.
I know you hate me right now,
We have-
but is there any way?
I don't hate you, this
My
is
phone
hilarious.
is in the car.
The best thing that happened to me in a while.
Listen, my phone is in the car.
We're not going, I'm not giving you anything out of that car.
I just.
I'm not going to
want-
assume anything in that
I
car
need-
is yours and not stolen.
you were crying up a storm.
I
and
need
being the
those
biggest
numbers
victim I've
on that
ever seen.
phone.
If they're not in your head, I'm sorry. I'm not going to assume anything in that car is yours and not stolen.
Angie olanları umursamadan kendini acındırarak polisleri manipüle etmeye çalışıyor. Çünkü başka bir çaresi yok. İşlediği diğer suçların farkında ve hapse gireceğini biliyor.
You'll be able to use your phone.
All going to say
That
that.
is the kind of fucking.
There was no
bullshit.
ID in any one of the 4 purses in there.
Because I was.
There's
I
18
was
cell
robbed.
phones in there. I'm not going to assume
18.
any of them are
There
yours.
was not 18.
Okay, I apologize. I'm exaggerating. There was like 5 or 6 at least in the front seat. So I'm not going to assume anything in that car is yours.
All you gotta do is turn on the phone. Please.
Let me do you a
Your
favor
county
and go all
wants
the way
money,
back to the
right?
place where you stole our
Your
car.
county wants money, right?
I don't work for county, so I don't care if the county wants money.
Hey, you
wants
think
money.
we can turn his camera off so we can review the video? His car camera?
Whatever.
LeBlanc?
Whoever gets the money, okay?
Yeah.
Good.
You guys got to get paid somehow, right?
We get paid.
You know what? I can do that and get away with it because I look cute.
It's on.
When you do it, it looks
It was on because he made a car stop. This is the car stop that made that he stopped with. So it's been on.
Can you tell the guy over there?
What was
The white truck, anti-frost?
what was the plan? Did you think you was gonna get inside before we got you?
Well, fuck.
No,
We wouldn't
that
lock this
wasn't the
entire
plan.
place down until we found you?
Are those hypothetical questions, or do you really want me to answer?
You don't have to answer, I guess. I'm just
Oh, so
curious.
they're hypothetical. Okay, that's all you have to say.
I don't think you understand what hypothetical means. This
Yes,
is literally
I
a
do.
situation that happened, so it's not hypothetical.
No, I'm talking about your questions.
Rhetorical? I think it's rhetorical is the word you're looking for. Rhetorical is a question asked that doesn't need an answer. Hypothetical is a question asked about some event that didn't really
Thank
happen.
you for the English lesson.
You're welcome.
teacher.
You're welcome. And stealing is what you did.
Talk to you later.
Borrowed.
Borrowed.
That was Mackenzie. Fucking sergeant already knows. I guess Randy's listening to the radio, his brother, and he's like, "You need to call Butter now."
That's okay. He's not going to live this down for the rest of the year. That's for sure.
He said,
He may have
"Is
earned
he all
his-
pissed off?" Like, I don't know. Everybody fucking left.
He's hitchhiking. He's hitchhiking down Memorial right now.
He's hanging out in the lobby of the village. I go and get a cup of coffee or something. You know, you could have got shot pretty easily. You almost ran my foot over. My gun was
All right, I think this is your ride. So you got a cage?
Think about
This will be tougher to steal. This is one of our updated, hard to steal models.
If she can get out there.
Woo. Not even mad. Not even mad. I'm impressed. She slipped her cuffs to the front, and then so we look up, and she's like standing up and saying, "What is she doing?" And she just like hopped over the center, right down into the seat, like a freaking cat burglar, man.
slow mo. You're like,
I was like, "What?" He's like, "She's still in the car."
we're good on this wreck.
36 yaşındaki Angie Frost, polis aracını çalmak da dahil olmak üzere işlediği 4 suçu kabul etti ve 3 yıl hapis cezasına çarptırıldı.